Right, how you doing on this Warrior Wednesday? Today we have the World of Warcraft Common Orc Warrior / Orc Shaman. So you can have him as the Orc Warrior or the Orc Shaman. Has a mystery weapon, swapping, swap around. McFarlane toys. Comes with these pretty cool stickers. I did not know these were in there, but you get these neat stickers. Also comes with this really neat diorama here, which has an orc picture and information about orcs. Really cool. So he has this other bonus and of course you have these other shoulder blades beside the one. Get this. They really have this orc guy in the hand here. Damn. And there's the orc guy. Here's the mystery weapon. Let's see what the mystery weapon is. Ah, another blade. So you can switch the shoulders up, or you can switch all that does is really gives him a different wolf. Oh man, it broke. Oh well. So you can put the different blades in here. Different weapons. Don't fit very good. You got the hammer. You can also get them right there. You can put them either way. way. Of course, you got the axe. And the sword. There you go. Stupid sword don't want to fit. Something gotta fit. It's supposed to fit. Well, that's figure anywhere. Remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, He's God, He's Lord, He's King. And ruler of everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And all that good stuff. And of course, stay tuned for the last box on the Warrior Wednesday. This Diablo skeleton figure.